Samazi claps back at tweet over Jesus, acceptance and his shopping habits. Samazi, his Vi and some pals are having the time of their lives in Paris. And Sam Gaga is giving fans an inside look at his vacay by posting pictures and videos of the trip. Of course, Samazi was going to shop till he dropped, and he made sure to show us proof of his card swipes. While most people asked him to bring them a bag, one person didn't think the shopping spree was such a great idea. When you die you leave all that behind, Samazi. Make sure you accept Jesus first, wrote the person. In Paris, with his Vi, Samazi didn't let it slide. Weena, when you die make sure you leave the thought that you can tell people who to accept. Just accept that some of us don't give a shit what you think should be acceptable. Consider him schooled.